Hello, Business Finance 330. This is Professor Hassey. It's week 3 of our winter term finance course for this Wednesday, January 20th at 6 p.m. Our title of our class this Wednesday is The Past, Present, and Future in Finance. We'll be going over chapter 5, the time value of money. Here's some problems from our textbook that we'll be going over in class about the examples of present value, future value, and annuity values of financial calculations. But before we get to that, we'll be reviewing the chapter 4 spreadsheet financial analysis from our in-class review of last week to do one final look at financial statement analysis. Yes, and here's that tab from our in-class review in week 2, where the third tab of statement analysis of the financial statement that we reviewed in class, that is right there. And we are asking to find for 2020 the current ratio, debt ratio, profit margin on sales, return on total assets, price earnings ratio, earnings per share, average collection period, and inventory turnover. So if you can maybe get prepared to answer those questions for class on Wednesday, that would be fine by me. And we'll discuss these and the definitions of them and what they represent from chapter 4 on Wednesday at the beginning of our class. And as I said earlier, we'll be talking about chapter 5, the time value of money, which is very important to the calculations that we'll be doing in subsequent weeks in this term. Remember, the area of the goal of finance is to take a dollar today and create more dollars in the future, and also have the present value of that dollar today somewhat valuable. So we'll be learning that concept and be talking about that constant every week for the remaining weeks of our course. So let's take a look at this video that defines this concept of time value of money.
Survivor.com. The time value of money is a basic concept in finance that shows that a single dollar is worth more in the future than in the present. Here's Natalie. Natalie has a beautiful singing voice, enters a vocal competition, and wins. As a prize, she's awarded $1 million. She can choose to receive a single lump sum check for $1 million or $1,025,000 in a year from now. Natalie isn't sure what to do. That extra $25,000 sounds nice, but is it too nice? Natalie is a vocalist, not a businesswoman, so she asks her friend Linda for advice. Linda is not easily tricked, and is quick to tell her that it all comes down to interest. Suppose Natalie could put that $1 million in the bank and earn 5% per year in interest. At the end of the year, her winnings will grow from $1 million to $1,050,000. By taking the money today, rather than in 1 year, Natalie will make an extra $25,000. Not too shabby. The key to the time value of money is to remember that over time, your money makes money. How much it makes depends on the interest rate or return you can expect to receive. This is also known as the discount rate. The decision to take the money today or in the future depends entirely on the discount rate, the percent you think your money will grow. For example, had Natalie thought she could only make 1% on her money instead of 5%, then her total after 1 year would be $1,010,000, and it would have been better off to wait the year. To learn more about the time value of money, head over to wallstreetsurvivor.com.
Okay, so we'll be going over those portions represented by problems 4, 11, 13, 19, and 38 from our textbook in class also on Wednesday, the time value of money. Also remember, for some of us, we will be talking with me, Professor Hassey, on tomorrow evening, Tuesday night, to finish up our professor-student interviews. Let me put up that schedule right now. Hang on just for a moment, I'll do that. And here's the schedule for tomorrow evening for 6 of our students to come and see me at between 7 and 9 p.m. and do the final professor meetings to get off on the right foot in our class this winter term. This week we have our first assignment, which will be posted during class Wednesday evening, and it's due Tuesday, January 26th on chapters 1 through 4. As I explained last week, our quizzes, or our assignments, excuse me, are usually or are multiple choice, short answer, and one internet research problem. And as I mentioned last week, our internet research problem will be taking one company from your portfolio and doing a financial statement analysis. More on that on Wednesday night. Look forward to seeing you all then. Thanks, everybody. Have a great week.